A man residing at SC Girls Hostel Relief Camp located in Thanga Wangma High School, Moirang, sustained injuries after unknown miscreants opened fire travelling on a two-wheeler vehicle. According to information received by SKTV News, the incident occurred this morning around 9 a.m. at Thanga Moirang Them under the jurisdiction of Kaibul Police Station in Bishnupur district. The injured man, identified as Sawaisam Dhanabir, aged 28 years, son of Rajen from Churachandpur, Tigangphai, Yaifakol, suffered 3 bullet wounds on his right hand and 2 on his left abdomen. He has been admitted at Rajmat City Hospital in North AOC for further treatment. The cause behind the incident is yet to be ascertained. Moreover, in a separate incident, unknown miscreants discharged firearms outside the house of Salam Jeevan Singh, aged 43 years, son of late S. Keshor Singh. The incident occurred yesterday around 6:40 p.m. at Jeevan's residence in Moirang Kumam Laikai, falling under the jurisdiction of the Moirang Police Station in Bishnupur district. According to the police report, the miscreants travelling in the Maruti 800 car carried out the attack. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. However, police have recovered 2 empty shells of 9mm pistol from the scene. The case has been registered for further investigations.